I've always had a passion for cooking. Watching my mom and my grandma cooking in the kitchen, I've always wanted to be. I've always wanted to join them, but I was too young to. And so when I saw that our school provided a class like this, I decided that I should try it.
Students are in this class, they're learning a career. The students learn how to work as a team. We have had the station set up in the classic brigade system. Some students are cooking, some students are managing, they're calling out orders, they're collecting feedback from students, and they're learning how to run this kitchen in an organized fashion, just like you might go to any restaurant.
Today we have chicken curry, beef stroganoff, we have a soup for Julie, we have for dessert we have flan and baklava and Greek salad. Yeah.
Actually, we teach all about life through food, and they're learning a lot of skills that they can transfer to just about everyday actions. Any job, you need to be on time. You need to be organized. You need to be respectful, and that's kind of what has to happen in a kitchen that works well together.
Like today, we had to think on our feet, and people who work in the kitchen had to go out and be servers because an incident happened. But things like that make it difficult, but we work through it.
You're sure you're just doing it? Okay, good. I love it. Back in. I'll get back in there, and I'll turn around. When it stops frying, then you want to pull it out.
A good day is when we learn something new. When we learn how to fabricate a chicken for the first time, or do something new, or learn a new technique that we haven't learned before.
It's wonderful. I've been coming for a number of years now, and I have not had a bad meal yet.
If you enjoy cooking and if you have a passion for it, taking this class made me realize that you can take your passion and turn it into a career.